Hey guys, hey, welcome back to the channel. On today's video of doing stuff way out of my comfort zone that I got talked into doing, we'll be doing skylights on the roof of this horse barn. And also I will have a video on the timber frame front porch that we're doing that really gives this barn a cool look. And also I'll do a video later of just the finished product. So hope you guys enjoy the video.
Yeah, got it? I'll go down as low as I can go.
Fingers are out.
Like
Yeah, moving over.
Hey! Dude, we're getting good at throwing metal together.
Hell yeah.
Oh great, it's Brown Nose the pirate.
Hey, get over here and ground us a little bit. Well, those guys are busy. Oh gosh, that's under the staple gun for a minute. Yeah, you weren't turning it, you're gonna shoot me. What was I fighting?
So as a final summary, they weren't all that bad, but it definitely was a little bit of something to get used to. The flashing kit that came with these wasn't very great, so it made it kind of fun to go around it. But it turned out to be all right. Don't think they'll leak because they got wrap underneath. They're window taped a couple times, caulked behind the metal. So yeah, they really shouldn't leak at all. So this is how it looks in the end. They look really cool once they're all done. And we put some snow stop above all the stuff, some down at the bottom. And then these cupolas are really nice looking.